on Times Now this Sunday morning. And viewers, like we've been telling you, while the all-party meeting continues there, while the opposition, some parties of the opposition plan to bring up this issue, this is an issue that's raging in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and now even in Madhya Pradesh. But as the debate over the nameplate rule for Kavad Yatra triggers sharp reactions from across quarters, not just politicians, even this time there are artists who are weighing in with their opinion. The latest round of war of words that's playing out on social media, and this comes after actor Sonu Sood posted his views on the ongoing controversy. He said, and I quote verbatim from his social media post, "There should be only one nameplate on every shop, and that is humanity." Now, reacting to his social media post, which seemed like his apparent opposition to Yogi government's diktat on the Kavad Yatra, BJP MP from Mandi and actor Kangana Ranaut retorted, and she said, now even this is one of her posts and I'm going to quote that, "Agree, halal should be replaced with humanity." But there was something else that preceded this, and there was a war of words that broke out. Let's go across to my colleague Ankit, who's joining us from the newsroom. Ankit, this didn't just begin with humanity versus halal, Sonu Sood versus Kangana Ranaut. It began with the posting of one video by a netizen. How did it all start? Just take our viewers through it.
So, like you rightly said, Sagarika, here is the post of Sonu Sood where he says there should be only one nameplate on every shop, that is humanity. Alongside, right above this, you can see there was a person who posted a not very unseemly, or rather an unseemly video where a person is making rotis and he's applying saliva to them. And the person says these rotis should be sent to Sonu Sood. It was meant to maybe provoke him, but Sonu Sood responded to that, and he cited a Ramayana reference. He says Sri Ram ate the berries of Shabri, the Ma Shabri bear episode, so why can't I eat them? Violence can be defeated by non-violence, my brother. Humanity must remain intact. And then he says, Jai Shri Ram. So this is what Sonu Sood had said. And I'll come to something else he said also in just a little bit. But Kangana Ranaut responded to both these. So she says to Sonu Sood's humanity post that agree, halal should be replaced with humanity. So we know how there are shops that have halal written outside them,
right,
and that is also a part of this controversy. And so Kangana says halal should be replaced with humanity. And then when a anonymous handle, which is nonetheless quite popular, spoke about the roti episode of Sonu Sood citing Ramayana, she says, next, Sonu ji will direct his own Ramayana based on his own personal findings about God and religion. Wah kya baat hai, Bollywood se ek aur Ramayana. And so this is a controversy and a face-off that is continuing to spiral. Sonu Sood has also said that he doesn't justify applying saliva in food, and but he's sticking to his guns essentially.
All right, so the war of words is not just restricted to the BJP and the opposition. There are artists also weighing in. It's also important to mention here, Ankit, that earlier when the controversy around this debate had started, it was Javed Akhtar, lyricist Javed Akhtar, who had also tweeted, and he too had drawn a link to Nazi Germany. Thank you, Ankit, for that update. But viewers, now let's move on to the other aspect of this debate, which is the political part of it. You saw that rule being, the Yogi government sticking, despite all the opposition saying that this rule will now apply. The nameplate rule will apply across Uttar Pradesh during the Kavad Yatra, which is set to begin in the month of Shravan, which is from tomorrow. Then you have the state of Uttarakhand, from where the route will go. They have also said that this is to ensure, to have a nameplate outside the shops will ensure law and order and no confrontation. Now there's also a demand coming in from the state of Madhya Pradesh, and we are also hearing that there are some parts of Madhya Pradesh where this rule will be enforced. Alongside, there is Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev, who's also commented on the matter. Let's listen into what he has to say.
जब रामदेव को अपनी पहचान बताने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, तो रहमान को क्यों दिक्कत होनी चाहिए? तो अपने नाम पर तो सबको गौरव होता है, तो नाम छिपाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अपने कार्य को शुद्धता और प्रामाणिकता से करने की आवश्यकता है। यदि हमारे कार्य में शुद्धता और पवित्रता है, तो हमारा नाम चाहे हिंदू है, मुसलमान है, हम किसी भी वर्ग से ताल्लुक रखते हैं, ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, वैश्य, दलित, आदिवासी, वनवासी, हम सब भारतवासी हैं।
So Govind is joining us. Govind, the state that has now come in after Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand is the state of Madhya Pradesh. Take our viewers through all the details. How did it start? Who was the first to come up with the demand? What is the demand that came in from the seers of Ujjain? Ujjain, put everything into context for us.
Yeah, absolutely. We can understand that as right from yesterday, some happenings also there in Madhya Pradesh. So MP is going to be after UP, the next one for making it mandatory to put the name or name plates on the Pratishthan जो भी हैं महाकाल मंदिर हो या फिर मध्य प्रदेश के तमाम शहर हो, because first time the letter was written by Ramesh Mendola, BJP MLA from Indore to CM Mohan Yadav, which was confronted by Mithun Aherwal, the Congress leader, by asking that this will be anti-social and it will definitely disturb a kind of communal harmony. So there is no need for applying the same kind of rule which is applicated there in Uttar Pradesh. When now in Ujjain also the priest and Mahant and Mandaleshwar also demanded that many of the shops and hotels are just running, whose owners are in fact Muslim, but their names are on Hindu. So this is somewhat a kind of confusion. That's why
so
they have
just
demanded
interjecting for exactly one moment to get clarity on one part of the entire, the Madhya Pradesh aspect of the Kawar debate. Has there been an official communication from the establishment in the state that a similar rule will also be followed in parts of Madhya Pradesh?
Nothing official so far, because it's also demand is being raised by the various personalities, religious personalities and the political personalities. First, MLA wrote a letter, and then after Malini Gaur, the Congress BJP MLA also told that this is justified because it also endorsed the love jihad, in fact, by making the people in the dark.
All right.
So you know that Kawar Yatra also just coming to Ujjain, and 5 rivers water will be offered to Mahakal.
Okay.
So this demand is raised.
So there is a demand as of now and nothing official, as Govind confirms for us here, that no official communication has come in from the Madhya Pradesh government, but there are demands being made by leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, by MLAs and also seers in Ujjain. We're going to keep a close watch on that story. Govind, trust you to keep us ahead on that. Let's now tell you about how the opposition is planning to corner the government. If you remember when we started this newscast, we were getting you news about the all-party meeting, and Pragya had told us that there are some leaders in the opposition who intend to bring this up during the monsoon session as well. She mentioned that it is the Aam Aadmi Party who wants to bring this up. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party too has come in and has opposed this move. The Kawar diktat that was first started with a circular in Muzaffarnagar in Uttar Pradesh. Now, let's play out those reactions coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party.
फल बेचने वाले, सब्जी बेचने वाले ज्यादातर भाई हमारे दलित समाज से आते हैं। अब वो लिखेगा कि मेरा नाम फला फला है, फला फला है, मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाहता क्योंकि वो भी गलत है, तो उससे उसकी जाति पता चलती है। और आप जाति के आधार पे उसका शोषण होने के लिए एक जमीन तैयार कर रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है कि जिस तरीके से दलित समाज ने संविधान को बचाने के लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को इस बार वोट नहीं दिया, आज दलित समाज को अनएम्प्लॉयड और बेरोजगार करने की एक बड़ी साजिश की जा रही है, ताकि हमारा दलित समाज बेरोजगार हो जाए और इन लोगों के आगे घुटने टेक दे। हम ये होने नहीं देंगे।
नया फरमान जारी हुआ है योगी जी का कि जिस तरफ से कांवड़ यात्री गुजरेंगे आपको अपना नेम प्लेट लगा के रखना होगा। आप मुझे बताइए, कल को कोई वाल्मीकि समाज का व्यक्ति, जाटो समाज का व्यक्ति, वो अपनी नेम प्लेट लगा लेगा। ये बीजेपी वाले जो अपने बगल नहीं बैठने देते, खाना साथ में नहीं खाते, जो मंदिर में प्रवेश नहीं करने देते किसी दलित और पिछड़े का, जो अखिलेश यादव जी के मंदिर प्रवेश करने पर गंगा जल से मंदिर को धुलते हैं, अवधेश पासी जी के अयोध्या से जीतने पर उनको गालियां देते हैं, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये लोग दलितों पिछड़ों के दुकान पर सामान खरीदेंगे?
So the Aam Aadmi Party says this is a rule that not just targets the minority community, it also targets Dalits. There is another layer to this story and the controversy is only escalating. Time now for us to slip into a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.